Hi, it's Danielle with RV Liquidation Center. We're going to take a look at a Catalina 291QBS. Okay, so this floor plan has 4 bunk beds in the back. So this bed will lift up. You can latch it on both sides. And then below it is going to be your dinette for the kids. This dinette also can fold into a bed, or you can put it away and then use the door for storage below there. And then let's go take a look in the living room. So in the living room, you have a nice U-shaped dinette. The U-shaped dinette does fold into a bed for extra sleeping. And then you have your couch that folds into a bed as well. To the right is going to be your refrigerator. Refrigerator does work on propane or electricity. And then you have your microwave. And then your 3-burner stove and your oven below. You have nice counter space in this kitchen with the sink covers. Sink is also nice and deep. You have storage above the sink and then also below the sink. So the TV is located in a nice central location for everybody in the living room to see. And then you have storage on both sides, below, and then also above. And the couch that folds into a bed is a jackknife sofa. So it goes just as so. And then you lift up from the top and it folds away. You're also going to have storage above here. And then your LED lights that are push of a button. Okay, so in the bathroom you're going to have your medicine cabinet. And then you're going to have your sink and then more storage below here. So you're going to have your bathtub, which is good for children, and also your skylight, which is good if you're a little on the taller side, gives you extra headroom. Okay, so the front bedroom is going to be a walk-around queen bed. You're going to have storage on both sides of the bed, and then you're also going to have your power outlets on both sides of the bed. You're going to have your LED lights that are reading lights, push of a button there, and then it's set up for a TV on this wall here, and then you're going to have storage underneath the bed as well, just like so. This one you do have windows on both sides, so you can get a cross breeze if you want to, and that's also the emergency exit. Okay, so on the outside you're going to have your power awning above us here that has the blue LED light strip on it. Below is going to be your black tank Saniflush, so you don't have to stick your hose through the window anymore. You can just hook it up right here. Your hot water heater. This is the back of your refrigerator, and then towards the back is going to be more storage, which is underneath the bunk beds here. This one does have the 4-corner stabilizer jacks. And on the back here, you're going to have it set up for a Furrion backup camera. Your spare tire. And then over here is going to be the access we were talking about earlier where your bunk bed room is at. So if you need to use this for storage, this table you can move it and use this whole area for storage compartments. This is going to be your 30-amp power source here. And then you're going to have all your connections when you go to your campground. Your dump station is going to be right below that for your gray and your black tank. And then this is your large slide out. This is going to be your pass-through storage, so you can access it from both sides. So you have a large storage area to put your chairs in or all your camping gear. Up in the front is going to be where your battery goes. And then you're going to have your 2 7.5-gallon propane tanks. Thank you for taking a look at the Coachmen 291QBS.